All right, guys, we are today we're taking a little walk around here. Hello, around the neighborhood. Look at this car here. This is absolutely Swedish colors, right? Swedish. It's almost like the Swedish flag. Just missing the cross on the roof. Just missing the cross on the roof. So, yeah, we are taking a little neighborhood walk today. I'm gonna stroll up towards my MacArthur and figured we'd take you with us.
Yeah, good day everybody. Enjoy a little bit of exercise.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised how hot it is right this minute, because we had a rainstorm go through here last night. About what, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
It rained pretty hard.
It rained very hard, actually.
But this morning, the sun came out early.
Yeah.
So, anyway, it's
all right.
nice. Very pleasant.
They're out flying Cessna, or what is it? Yeah, it's just
a 170.
Yeah.
Train.
I would like to take one of those tours. I think you can do that at the airport, right?
Yeah.
Where you actually.
They used to have helicopter rides too.
Where you? Yeah. Let's walk down this way and see. We're just walking a different neighborhood today. It is the neighboring barangay. I don't even remember what the name is. All right, you know, when they see the camera, they slow down, they give you a thumbs up, whatever. I don't think he gave us the finger, did he?
No. He said hello.
All right, so this is actually a pretty decent little neighborhood too. Typical Filipino.
Very interesting front
neighborhood, yeah.
of a building.
Yeah, I think I drove by here with the motorcycle once, but when you do that, you do it so quick you can't.
This is a psychedelic 1970s.
What?
This
Psychedelic? You mean the wall? Yeah, it's an interesting way they did the wall, but it's artwork. Is that tomato? Papaya? Is it tomato plants or what?
This is papaya.
Right.
This is papaya, and there's chili pepper here.
Oh yeah.
Chili peppers.
Yeah, I see it.
And then
People.
some beans over there.
People are growing things in the neighborhood. How are you, sir? Good. So there is homes and house and lot for sale, and there's a few of those here. Yeah, it's a little overcast today, right?
Yep.
You have
It's supposed to have scattered showers later this afternoon.
scattered showers
Yeah.
this afternoon.
That's what the forecast said.
Yeah.
You know what I believe about the forecast.
Forecast. Yeah. It's like
Get it right about 60% of the time.
yeah, it's like predicting an election. There should be a landslide, right?
No comment.
No comment. Yeah.
They're delivering Dominion's pizza.
Yeah, Dominion's Pizza. I thought that one was fine. You know, somebody had made a little thing about our president-elect holding a pizza, and it said Dominion's Pizza.
On Domino's letters, Dominion's Pizza, buy one get 10 free.
Buy one get 10 free. And it was funny. I mean, it was really funny.
Very funny.
Yeah.
Not really funny, because the truth of the matter is that it's obvious that there was fraud.
Well,
it's going to come to the light.
Right. Yeah. I obviously there was, if not fraud, it was several several irregularities. When you have,
I'm sorry, but
when you're sending out 1.4 million ballots
it's fraud
by the
because
state and
when
gets
you're-
2.5 back.
One state is a coincidence, but several states doing exactly the same thing at exactly the same time is no coincidence.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no.
Sorry.
Yep.
That's organized fraud, and it's going to come out to the light. When it does, I feel sorry for the deep state.
I don't. I do not feel sorry for whoever created that mess. They will get what they deserve down the road, hopefully, in this two-tiered justice system that we have had over the last 6 years or so, maybe even more. So we'll see what happens. Now it's all about Philippines. You see, guys, you see all the stuff here on the ground. It is. It looks like they tore down the house inside this gate, and I'm telling you, that's what's going on here.
This is a pretty house.
Oh yeah, this one is a decent, nice-looking home. There's a lot, you know. You walk around in these neighborhoods, right? You see this shack with, I mean, you know, with our measure, they're not even worth calling a home,
Yeah,
or we don't call it a home. Let's put it that way. Rephrase it, okay? And then the next block, you have these 5, 6, 7 bedroom facilities with 3, 4, 5 bathrooms, and they look immaculate.
And the house is a complex.
And the house is a huge complex.
Look at that thing, 3 stories.
Yeah, that's more like I think this is more like an apartment complex right ahead of us here.
I don't know.
And yeah, I think it is. Apartment for rent, so it looks to me like this is the thing.
It's a decent neighborhood, yeah.
Camagong Street, move-in ready, 2-story apartment, two bedrooms, 1 bath, aircon in 2 bedrooms, stovetop and range hood, bath and shower, water heater, security cameras, and free Wi-Fi. So contact person, Maricel Ruiz. You see it there. You need an apartment. Here's another one. I love the colors they put on their homes. These are like almost neon blue, right?
It's called, it was on fire sale.
Oh, the paint was on fire sale?
The paint was on fire sale, didn't sell for 3 years, so
they got rid of it?
they got rid of it.
Yeah.
There was plenty to paint the house.
Yeah, that's true. All right, so this is the corner of Dap Street and Kalanta Street.
Oh, a friend of mine is a contractor in the States, right?
Right.
And somebody went to Home Depot and they ordered, I think, I don't know, 35 or 40 gallons worth of paint. And there was supposed to be like a light pink for the interior.
Right.
It was a huge house, right?
Right.
And it came out fuchsia. I don't know. The guy that mixed it up, you know, whatever, made a huge mistake. It was this fuchsia color, right? So anyways.
What is fuchsia?
It's like a really dark pink.
Dark pink?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So anyway.
They painted it with that?
No, it was an error, so they put the paint on sale.
Right.
And so my friend, he bought the paint, and he had some other, you know, other mixed whatever, bunch of other paint that he had left over.
All right.
It was making up another 5 gallons worth. So he mixed it all together, and it came out like a pink violet color.
Right.
And he painted the entire house with that. And
Outside?
Yeah, the exterior.
Right.
And it looked awesome. It was incredible. Nobody would have thought, you know. And then he saved about 50% on the paint.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes you get
So
good
yeah.
deals. He was
You
creative.
guys see these sand piles of sand, and you see over there they have they have, what do you call it?
Sifter.
They are sifting the
The sand, so
the
that
sand
they mix it with the cement so that
to
they can
mix it
stick
with cement.
blocks together.
Yeah,
It's the mortar for the block.
the mortar for the block. So it is. And here you got same color blue in the apartments. There's some small apartments here.
Yeah, paint was on top.
The paint was on sale. I like the way they did this one though. There, with the roof over the carport. Here you can have lunch with Emperador. They put the Emperador on display. It's interesting. All right, so this is another, you know, over there you have another construction. It looks like another apartment building. It is construction everywhere. It's unbelievable. Huh?
Fairly decent job on this one. Brand new.
Yeah, here is another one. They're about to complete. Wires are hanging outside and all that, but it looks like this one is also some form of apartment, obviously. Sometimes they build these things where they have apartments upstairs and the owner lives downstairs. They have, you know, 3-4 apartments upstairs and the owner lives downstairs.
Another one here.
Yeah.
White one right there. Brand new.
Oh yeah. It's another one. Also being in progress. It's typical. They built 4 units. Yeah, they build all of these the same way though. Small apartment units. They're pretty brave leaving the metal roofing out at night. It normally disappears.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
I mean, it works. The roofing material is pretty decent because I see it folding up on the wind and stuff.
Yeah.
They have it down. It's cheap.
Right. Yeah,
And it works.
yeah.
You know, the remnants of the hurricane or whatever.
But this is a pretty
Nice, brand new.
yeah,
whatever.
and you see here too.
Model house, you know.
Here's this is apartments too. I think could be. There's
Like single home.
yeah, no, yeah. Well, I think it's somebody. It's probably the same owner, but they have the little courtyard. This is actually a business haircut. It says haircut on the door. So.
The former gate.
Former gate, yeah. Still have the gate here. We're cleaning up their yard. All right, so that's what did you say?
I'm just reading the political.
Oh, the political stuff. Yeah. Well, we have election coming up here in about 2 years, right?
Yeah,
The president here sits for 6 years, I think. Yeah, they have 6-year terms, and they can do 2 terms, or can they do 1 term? No, 2
it's
terms.
1 term, I think.
I don't know.
Mexico, 6 years, 1 term only.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are coming up on. We're coming up here on MacArthur. So this was a little quick walk through one of our neighborhoods down. Sorry for the noise, guys. You can hear the trucks and everything going on here. So thank you. Don't miss our live feeds. Thursday morning, Sunday morning, local time here in Philippines, 9:15. Eastern is Wednesday and Saturday at 8:15 p.m. So here we go. This is MacArthur. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.